Okay, let's talk about how to create a Google Hangouts Meet event. To create a Hangouts Meet, we recommend starting in your Google Calendar. Remember, to get to your Google Calendar app, you can click the waffle in the upper right-hand corner and choose the Calendar app from your drop-down menu. That will bring you to this page, and you can choose your view for the Google Calendar. I prefer month, but you might also like day or week. That's totally up to the user. Once you're on the calendar, you can select the day that you want to create your Hangouts Meet for. And if you click once, it's going to bring open this little menu box in order to specify details about your event. However, to get the Hangouts Meet, you want to choose More Options down at the bottom. That opens into this page where you can give it a title, and you can choose whether you want it all day or not. If you don't want it all day, you can specify the time frame for the virtual meeting. And then it's right down here where it says Add Conferencing that you want to select that box and choose Hangouts Meet. That's going to generate a Hangouts Meet link that you can copy into Schoology, into an email, and potentially send out to those that you want to join your meeting. You can also add a description at the bottom that could go out to those that you are inviting to the event. Over on the right, this is where you can add guests. Who do you want to invite to this meeting? This field is populated by our district's Google directory. So our staff, our students who are in our email directory, their names will be populated in here if you start typing to add different individuals. Also, our different email groups are in there so as well if you're just wanting to send it to a whole group of people that already has a Google group created for them. Once you have specified who you want to send it to, you can click Save in the upper right-hand corner. And once you do that, that's going to create your event right there on your Google Calendar. So all you have to do at that point when it comes time to join your meeting is go onto your Google Calendar, click the event, and you can say, Join Hangouts Meet. So it's as simple as that, and reach out to me or one of your instructional coaches if you have any additional questions.